Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add hyperlink to PDF file. So I have this PDF file right here, and if I could add, say, a hyperlink somewhere here, I can go ahead and do that one, and I'm going to show you how. So let's go ahead and open Word first. Now take note though that this is not going to work every single time with regards to files that have complicated design. So again, this is a PDF file already. We're going to open it in Word, so I'm going to click Browse and I'm going to go ahead and locate that one. So here's the file. I'm going to go ahead and click open. So the website that we're going to hyperlink is this one right here, greatsite.com. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this one just like so. Head over to that design, and then I'm going to go ahead and click or highlight the entire thing, click insert, and then link, and then click insert link. So here I'm gonna go ahead and paste it, and then here what you are going to do is just try to remove the HTTPS, or depending on how you would like this to be displayed. So just like that, for example, hit OK. You can see it's now turned to blue. And yeah, once that's done, go ahead and export this one as PDF. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Click browse right here, and then you're going to save it wherever you want. So I'm going to do the same location, and then just go ahead and add here hyperlink. Click save. So the moment I did that, it opened itself, and you can see that now this is a link. So if I'm going to click this, it's now brought me to the link that I have put here. So yeah, that's how you're going to add hyperlink to PDF file.